Hello guys, and happy Friday. Oh, that's not in focus. Hey there, it's Joel, aka Gallucks, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it is Friday, or whatever the day you're watching this on. I hope you're having a great day. It's Friday here in London, and I've had a morning of just kind of catching up with myself because I've been quite busy lately, like this week. We're doing some really exciting things. One is an upcoming collaboration with a clothing brand here in London. That is, well, keep an eye on my Instagram stories because I basically keep putting teasers out because I'm so excited. The shoot, I was over the moon with it. It's taken us so long to kind of put this together and now it's all coming together. It's so exciting. So yeah, I'm very excited about that. And I think that you guys will love the clothes as much as I do because I'm so excited to wear them and show you them. Oh, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for notifications so you know when I bring out a new video. I am currently wearing a new suit from a brand here in London called Cold Laundry, which is amazing. They've got a pop-up at Box Park at the moment, so you should go check it out if you have a chance. It's so nice. Their store is so clean as well and amazing. All their products are made in South Korea. You know I love South Korean style, and it's probably why I was drawn to Cold Laundry as well, because the fits are just so clean and the cuts and the pieces, like, oversized. Yeah, and this blue suit, they very kindly gifted it to me and I can't stop wearing it because it's so comfortable and I just think it looks great. I've had a very exciting delivery this morning, as you can tell by the title of this video already, and I thought I would do a little unboxing for you guys of the package that I just received. Look how dirty my laptop screen is, that's actually disgusting. I will give it a wipe, but I just updated my Gallucks playlist on Spotify, which I will leave a link to down below if you're interested. Also, trying to research anniversary cards for me and Scott because it's been 1 year, which is crazy, that's gone so quickly. And if you come with me, I am going to get... Wow, I hate my own sound effects. I always do them and I always hate them. So, let's talk about Dior, because that is what this video is about. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that I love Dior, and mainly since Kim Jones took over. I did like it when Chris Van Ash was there, but not as much. I'm going to sit over here because I like things better. Actually, I'm going to put you on here. This bag is quite big. Yeah, so Dior is one of my favourite brands, and I very recently got to go to the Spring Summer 20 show in Paris for Men's Fashion Week, and it was incredible. It was such an amazing experience. If you've not watched the vlog, I'll link that down below as well so you can watch that. I always express my love for Dior and like pieces that I buy that I'm obsessed with, like the contrast stitch saddlebag or the B23 high tops, which I haven't stopped wearing since I got them. And the Dior team very kindly asked me if I'd be interested in receiving any press samples of the Fall 19 accessories, and of course my answer was hell yes, because I love that collection so much. And there's so many like standout pieces that I remembered. So I sent them a few things that I liked, so I don't know what's in this bag at the moment, so we're going to be opening it and seeing what is here. Feel a dust bag. So in the first dust bag is a saddlebag, and it's in the black oblique print. Do you know what's interesting? Like, feeling it being made out of material is so different. This is on the website for £2,050. So saddlebags are quite expensive. It's because they're so unique in their design. You can actually see a really interesting video of them being handmade on the Dior Instagram, and it's such an interesting process, and to see the like intricacy that goes into creating one of these pieces. But yeah, it's really weird to feel it being made out of like a jacquard material, but it is insanely beautiful, and I love the kind of black colorway of the oblique print as well. I think that's stunning. And again, it comes with the Gallucks Christian Dior buckle on it, but this time in black, which is quite interesting as well because I really wanted the silver buckle. That's why I got the contrast stitch bag. But it's nice because they don't really do the silver buckle on bags anymore, but it's nice to see a black buckle on this all black bag as well. And I think it would go really well with a lot of outfits, especially for the rest of summer, because it's like things are going to be a bit lighter. So the kind of black strap is a nice contrast. But I think saddlebags go really hard, and I think they are beautiful. They're obviously quite expensive, but they really do retain their value, if not even more, especially if you get one of the more like sought after pieces like the contrast stitch one. But this is beautiful. Okay, let's go in. Oh, this feels like a big one. This feels like a big Dior lucky dip. Oh my god. It is another bag. It is... Oh, it's like... Wait, 1 second. Oh my god, this is 2 separate bags. So this is the saddle backpack in black calfskin. It's kind of like quite mini, but then you attach the safari mini roller bag in black. Oh, and it straps on like that. Wait, there must be another strap in here then for... Aha! That is so cute. It's like a transformer bag. It's like attaching to itself. That is really, really cute. Oh my god. So this is kind of like the roller bag that I have in black, but it's a smaller, more kind of like sturdy version, and the zip is kind of like a sealed zip as well. That is really, really cute. Oh, it's got a Dior oblique print inside as well. That's really fucking cute. You know I love a crossbody bag. And it has the option then to be a backpack as well. So that bit goes with another Gallucks buckle feature on there as well. So the backpack is 2,600, and then the Safari mini roller is 1,800. That is a pricey combo backpack, but I love the fact that it clips on. That is insane. That is beautiful. And then how much room do you get in this backpack too? Oh, that's kind of like a box bag underneath, then with the saddle strap on top as well. But then it has another zip on the front there as well. Loads of space, obviously like for smaller things, but that is really fucking cute. So just talking about the fall winter collection in general, as always Kim does a collaboration with an artist for the fall winter 19 collection. It's with Raymond Pettibon, if I'm saying that correctly. But there was a lot of like illustrations and beaded pieces and kind of like creepy looking font. And there is an insane necklace that is silver, kind of like a big padlock. So similar to this Louis Vuitton one, but obviously Dior, with Dior kind of etched onto the padlock, which looks insane. But again, the price point is like 1,500, so it's extremely expensive. And I saw an on model shot of it, and I don't know if I like the big chunky chain around the outside, but still the padlock itself is awesome. I love that piece so much. A huge thank you to Dior for sending me these press samples of these 2 bags. I'll be wearing them all the time. I've been thinking of some really exciting video ideas for me to do over the next few months. If there are any videos that you would like to see on the channel, definitely leave it in the comments below and I'll get working on it as soon as possible. And hopefully soon I'll be back to 2 videos a week. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed already, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me over on Instagram as well, because I post nearly every day on Instagram, stuff that you wouldn't really see here on YouTube. And I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.